Echoes of Carmel. This is Manvi Shukla with my co-host Gauri Chatwani.
Today, we bring you highlights from the beginning of the new academic year and the celebration of student leadership. The day started with a prayer service followed by a welcome song and a graceful dance performance that filled the campus with joy. A special moment was the oath-taking ceremony where the newly elected cabinet members promised to uphold the values of our school. The event became even more exciting with a lively teacher's performance and ended with a spectacular march past showcasing unity, discipline, and confidence. We congratulate our new student leaders and wish everyone a successful academic year ahead.
The school gates swung open on 15th of June, heralding the enthusiastic commencement of a promising academic year. To inaugurate the term, our respected teachers orchestrated a spiritually uplifting prayer service. The assembly hall resonated with a collective stirring rendition of the classic hymn, "There shall be showers of blessing," instilling a sense of profound optimism and serenity across the students' body. Transitioning from solemnity to celebration, teachers took center of the stage to deliver a captivating, high-spirited skit. It masterfully blended with witty humor with poignant motivational theme emphasizing personal growth and academic camaraderie. The performance instantly dissolved back-to-school anxiety, setting up a vibrant, dynamic tone for the campus.
Over to you, Adiba and Rida, for some of our achievements.
I'm Adiba with my co-host Rida. We are delighted to have you here as we celebrate the talent and achievement of our Carmel family. And now it's time to honor our achievers. Veronica Upadhyay of Class 1st F won 2 gold medals in 25-meter freestyle and 25-meter backstroke.
Nityashri Iyer of Class 5th G secured 3rd position in solo Bharatnatyam.
Amaya Mishra of Class 3rd A performed Bharatnatyam at Ravindra Bhavan and received a trophy and certificate.
Anika Solanki of Class 3rd G delivered a graceful and captivating performance at Nritya and was honored with a trophy and a certificate.
Shreya Sharma of Class 12 secured All India rank of 1394 in the JEE B ARC examination.
Maria Khan of Class 2nd F has been awarded with a gold medal for securing rank 2 in Madhya Pradesh zone. Here we wind up with the news bulletin. Till the next episode, stay happy and healthy. Goodbye.